Good afternoon. Today, I want to talk about AI, or artificial intelligence. AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and act like humans. It encompasses a broad range of technologies, from simple calculators to complex autonomous systems that can learn, reason, and make decisions. One of the most critical components of AI is machine learning. Imagine teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make predictions based off data without being explicitly programmed. That's precisely what machine learning does. Here's a basic analogy to help you understand. Suppose you have a child learning to identify different types of fruits. Initially, you show them various fruits and tell them the names. Over time, they start recognizing these fruits on their own without your guidance. Similarly, in machine learning, algorithms are trained using vast amounts of data. They learn from this data, identifying patterns and making predictions or decisions without human intervention. They do this by using neural networks, or a subset of machine learning inspired by the human brain. Neural networks consist of interconnected nodes, or neurons. Each neuron receives input, processes it, and produces an output. As the network is trained, these connections strengthen or weaken based on the data, allowing the system to improve its performance over time. Think of it as building a web of interconnected roads. You know, some some roads might be inefficient or unnecessary, but as more as more vehicles or data pass through them, the system learns which routes are the most efficient and adjusts the network accordingly. Deep learning. Deep learning is an advanced form of neural networks with many layers. It's the technology behind many of the recent breakthroughs in AI, like image and speech recognition. Imagine trying to identify a particular face in a crowd. Initially, it might be challenging, but with repeated exposure and practice, you become more adept at recognizing that face. Deep learning works in a similar way. By processing vast amounts of data through multiple layers of neural networks, it can achieve remarkable accuracy in things like image and speech recognition. To go along with speech recognition, natural language processing is another fascinating area that focuses on enabling machines to understand and respond to human language. Think about Siri or Alexa and how they can understand your voice and process it and respond appropriately. Imagine teaching a foreign language to a computer. It might initially struggle with grammar and vocabulary, but with continuous learning and exposure to the language, it becomes proficient and can even engage in meaningful conversations. And lastly, let's talk about reinforcement learning, where AI learns by trial and error. Much like how humans learn from experience, it works on a reward based system where the algorithm receives positive or negative feedback based on its own actions. Picture training a dog with treats. When the dog performs a desired behavior, it gets a treat. Over time, it learns which actions lead to rewards and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Similarly, in reinforcement learning, AI algorithms learned optimal strategies by maximizing rewards and minimizing penalties. In conclusion, AI is a multifaceted field that encompasses various technologies and approaches, all aimed at mimicking human intelligence in machines. From machine learning and neural networks to deep learning, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning, these technologies are revolutionizing industries, driving innovation, and reshaping our world. As we continue to advance in this exciting field, it's essential to approach AI with, with a mix of optimism and caution. While the potential benefits are immense, we must also address the ethical implications and ensure responsible development and deployment of AI technologies. Thank you for your attention. I hope this has provided you with a clear understanding of how AI works and its transformative potential. We need to embrace this technology responsibly and work together to harness its power for the betterment of society. Thank you. Have a good day.